Hi, Landscape Guru here. I just wanted to say thank you for the subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, that'd be great if you could. But today we have a new video, and we are on a project here where we're removing rocks along the edge of a pool, and then we're going to pour a new pool coping with colored concrete. And then on the other side of that, we're going to have pavers installed. It's going to have outdoor lighting. There's a French drain that goes under the pavers. That way that any of the water that builds up near the pool will be shifted away. But hope you enjoy the video, and we'll talk to you later.
Around a pool, and there's pavers in here, so same process. It's 3 inches of AB with an inch of bluestone, and then we level our pavers. Here's our string line to get that level from the string line over to this form, so it's all level. In this area here, we have a foam coping to match the coping of the pool on this side, and we're going to pour concrete in this area here. You got your rebar, which is doweled into the existing concrete, and then there's rebar that's tied to that, 3/8 inch, and we'll pour a colored concrete cobblestone, so it'll be kind of a grayish to match the pavers that are going in.
Thanks for watching the video. Again, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I'll be back with another video shortly. Thank you.